In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Dropbox from starting automatically when your computer boots up. If you're finding that Dropbox begins running every time you turn on your computer and you'd like to have a bit more control over when the application launches, I'll walk you through how to prevent it from automatically doing so, using a Windows computer. This can help speed up your boot time if you're looking to optimize your system's performance. While our focus is on Windows, similar steps can be followed on a Mac. Let's start by locating the Dropbox icon on your system tray. You can find this on the bottom right corner of your screen, nestled among other icons. This is the section of your desktop where your time and date are displayed, and it holds various system utilities and prolific applications. Once you've found it, go ahead and give it a click. This will bring up the Dropbox menu. Next, you'll want to look toward the upper right part of this Dropbox menu. Here, you should see either your avatar, if you've set one, or your initials. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Preferences. This is where we can adjust various settings for Dropbox, including how it behaves when your computer starts. Within the Preferences window, navigate over to the General tab. This tab covers the general settings associated with Dropbox, such as notifications and, crucial for our needs today, startup options. You'll notice there's an option labeled Start Dropbox on System Startup. This option is likely checked by default, as Dropbox often sets itself to launch automatically. To stop it from doing so, go ahead and uncheck this box. With this setting disabled, Dropbox will no longer automatically open whenever your computer starts. After you've unchecked the box, make sure you click OK or Apply to save these changes. Either of these options will ensure that the changes you've just made are recognized and applied to your system settings. Now, to further ensure that Dropbox won't start up automatically, let's delve into the Task Manager. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ESC. This shortcut propels you directly into the Task Manager window, where you can manage active applications and background processes. Focus your attention on the Startup tab, which lists all the applications that are configured to run when your computer boots up. Scroll through this list to locate Dropbox. Once you find it, you'll need to right-click on it and select Disable. By doing this, you're creating an additional safeguard to prevent Dropbox from launching independently when the system boots. Upon completing these processes, Dropbox should no longer spring into action each time you start your computer, giving you more control and potentially speeding things up. And with that, you've successfully disabled Dropbox from starting automatically on your Windows machine. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on